Hi, hi sir. I am a non-Muslim and my name is Alita Hahao. I want to ask the daughters a few questions, the law of the Hudood.
What are my views on Hudood Law? Hudood Law means if you do a crime which is a very severe crime, then you require a severe punishment. So based on that, most of the countries, they have their rules and regulations. And depending upon the crime you do, they put that law. Islamic law is the best example. It is as our Creator Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says. If certain things are big crime, if you implement the hudud, the results are the best in the world. That's the reason the least number of crime in any country in the world is in Saudi Arabia. Because that law is applied. The moment you dilute the law, even in Saudi Arabia, you'll find crime coming. So as far as the laws are concerned, if you follow the law of Allah and His Rasul, it is the best and the best result you'll get. Hope that answers the question.
Doctor, thank you. I still want to ask about the hudud. If you say that I still want to ask the hudud. Like we see at the African country, more than half the African country is like more for the Muslim country, but they still use the hudud. By the number of the criminal case still increase.
Well, that's a very good question. He says half the Africa is Muslim. I don't know whether half, it is less than half. But why are there so many criminals and crime? The reason is because they're not following the Islamic Sharia. Show me one country in the world which is following Islamic hudud and the crime is high. They are namesake Muslims. They are namesake Muslim, but they are not following the Islamic law. One good example is Saudi Arabia. You have the Islamic hudud. The least rate of theft anywhere in the world, Saudi Arabia. The least rate of rape anywhere in the world, Saudi Arabia. Why? Why? Because they are following the law. Any country you implement the law, you will get the best result. These countries are namesake Muslim countries. They are not applying all the laws of Sharia. If you apply all the laws of Sharia, whichever law you apply, in that country you will find success. Hope that answers the question.
Thank you.